Hello, today we will learn about how to solve linear equation in Python. Suppose we have this four equation have four unknown variable. So we have to write how to write that Python code. Now in other C language and all this thing, we have to simply means we have to for loop and if loop to produce inverse of this matrix. But in Python it is very easy to do linear equation. Now I have already wrote the Python code. I will teach you how to do that. So from numpy is actually library in which we will import array, math multiplication and linear algebra. So linear algebra is very easy to use. So we will first input our matrix is equal to, this is our variable, so my matrix is equal to array 1 this 1 2 5 and 6. So this is x value, y value, z value and t value. Now again 4 minus 6 plus 8 minus 12 1 3 9 and 18 0 0 6. Now my vector is means this equal to 1672. Now we have to just simple write solution is equal to linear algebra dot this our dot solve, means it will solve our equation. This is our matrix comma my vector. This is that simple. Now if you run and now it is print, if you run this module, so it will give equation, means simply give your value. So now it is very simple and easy to use Python code.